Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to remove background from images without using any software. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Let's begin. These are the images from which I will like to remove the background. This is the first image. And this is the second image from which I will like to remove the background. To remove the background of the image, open your web browser and type the URL shown on the screen. Click on Upload Image, and select the image with the background. Wait for the background to be removed. You can see, the background has been removed from the image. Click on Download, to download the image without the background. You can see, we have managed to successfully remove the background from the image. In order to add a new background to the image, click on Edit. Here, you can upload your own background image, or you can select other images available here. If you are comfortable with the new background image, click on Download. You can see, I have successfully added a new background to the image. Now, let me repeat the process for the second image. You can see, the background of the second image have also been removed. Let me add a new background. You can see, I was able to successfully remove the background from the image without using any software. Thanks for watching. Please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.